Okay, for means you can do until pre-production only like that, based on the numbers you have. There are very big understanding on security concept. Okay, so I am asked just to get a complete understanding of my existing project. So I was just curious to know, like, what are the count of total actual users of that application and what privileges they have. Because in somewhere I heard like page level authentication, where we can see actual list of all pages to which that user can access. So that's why I'm just trying to correlate that stuff, because once you cannot directly see like that in Pega. Okay, got it. Cannot directly see like that in that. In that manner. I only need to understand, like the user and how its workflow or functional. You have to understand the role first. What is the role and what that role will do and what access he should have. Okay, the role is then a trainee. Okay, the role is a trainee role. The trainee cannot have access to most of the things right got. Yeah, the access has to be restricted. So in that scenario you will use privileges to restrict or you will use some other access in your rules. There are so many rules for giving an access and to restrict an access. Okay, in case of manager is one role. Everything is based on roles only, and senior manager is another role. So, based on a role you will define, what are the privileges must be available to him. Okay, and there are some HR pages. Only HR can access it. So those are role. That role you have to give an access and for manager role it has to be discarded. Like you should not give them access, okay. So security is one interesting topic, like it is very easy actually see if you open your operator. You click on your operator, on the bottom left. Bottom left. Bottom left, yeah, click on that. Click on operator. Yeah, see, every operator will be mapped to access group. See the access group. Map is others okay, access group. Now, if you open that access group, click on that access group, not on Gogoro. You have to click on the crosshair icon. It will open the application. Go to your operator. No, a previous tab is there, right? No, previous tab is operator, only you need to open it again. The tab previous to this one. Right. Right, you click on the crosshair icon. Is there at one icon, brown color icon? Yeah, that one. Yeah, see, now you have opened that. See, your operator is mapped to access group. Access group is mapped to your access roles if you come down. See, there are available roles. Is there right available role? Now, this access group has some portals also available portals. Also, if you on the top, you can see what portal this access group must have an access. Like, if suppose a manager is there, manager should not have an access to developer portal, right? Why he should have a developer? He is not a developer, so you will remove the developer from here. You will give only user portal. Okay, mostly for all the business users. You will give user portal, okay, you will not give developer portal, and you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say it is the basic level. Is an operator ID. What is your operator ID? And from operator ID to which access group you are mapped. From access group, access role. From access role. Object from access role to which is the privileges. Okay, like that you have to start learning. You cannot directly. Like, you cannot directly. That good. You will not understand. Regarding privileges, understood what I'm trying to say. Yes, okay, will not cover the security in case of CCSA. Okay, security concepts are mostly covered in CSS. Okay, any questions till now for today? Okay, guys, then we'll connect tomorrow. Okay, thanks guys.